Imagine buying a premium television, unboxing it, setting it up, and then realizing you are only using about 40% of what it's actually capable of. That is the reality for the vast majority of Apple TV 4K owners. They think it's just a sleek black box that streams Netflix and YouTube. They think they bought a high-end streaming player, but they are completely wrong. The Apple TV 4K is not a streaming box. It is a wolf in sheep's clothing. It is an absolute powerhouse of hidden engineering, secret features, and deeply buried settings that Apple, for some bizarre reason, never tells you about. If you are just plugging it in and using the default settings, you are actively ruining your own viewing experience. You are getting worse picture quality, muddy audio, and missing out on features that feel like they belong in a science fiction movie. In this video, we are going to strip away the marketing fluff and dive into the absolute reality of this device. We are going to uncover the hidden ecosystem, the secret developer menus, the settings you need to change immediately to save your eyesight and your sanity, and the exact reasons why this device leaves the Roku, Fire Stick, and Google TV dead in the water. By the time this video ends, your entire home theater experience will be permanently upgraded. If you think you know everything your Apple TV can do, prepare to be proven completely wrong. Let's start with the absolute biggest mistake everyone makes the moment they plug it in. When you first connect your Apple TV to your beautiful 4K television, the system does something incredibly stupid. It defaults your video output to 4K HDR or 4K Dolby Vision. Now, on paper, that sounds amazing. You bought a 4K HDR TV, so you want everything in HDR, right? Wrong. This is the single biggest reason why your menus look blindingly bright, why normal SDR content looks washed out and fake, and why your TV is constantly straining to process colors. By forcing the entire system into Dolby Vision all the time, your Apple TV is artificially stretching standard definition content. It forces regular user interfaces, old movies, and standard YouTube videos into a color space they were never designed for. The result? Ghosting, weird skin tones, and a massive waste of processing power. The fix is a secret that home theater enthusiasts swear by, and it instantly transforms your picture quality. You need to go into your video settings and manually change the default output to 4K SDR. I know it sounds like a downgrade, but listen closely. Once you set it to 4K SDR, you must go into the Match Content settings and turn on two crucial features: Match Dynamic Range and Match Frame Rate. What this does is pure magic. It tells your Apple TV to stay in a clean, natural, energy-saving state for regular content. But the very microsecond you launch a Dolby Vision movie on Netflix or a high-end HDR show on Apple TV+, the box instantly flips a switch. It signals your TV to engage its maximum potential, delivering the exact, pristine colors the director intended. No artificial upscale, no washed-out menus, just pure, native perfection. And when the movie ends, it quietly switches back. This one change alone justifies the entire price tag of the device. But picture quality is only half the battle. Let's talk about the absolute nightmare that is the Apple TV Siri remote. People either love it or they absolutely despise it. If you've ever accidentally swiped and skipped 10 minutes ahead in the middle of an intense